So today I'm going to show you how you can open a file, maybe downloaded file while doing automation, and you want to open that particular file using that file name. Okay, so you can see on my screen. First, we will see how we can do it in Java. So first, let me tell you, suppose this is a file and I have already opened this file. Okay, so this file is, let's say, downloaded through the automation, and I want to open that particular file. But before opening that particular file, I want to kill all the open files for the Word format, right? Or all the Word files. So for this, first I have written a method that will kill all the open files if any Word file is already open with any name, like any Word file, right? After that, I will open that file using the file name. Let's see how we can do it. So this method I have already show you on my previous sessions, but let me tell you again. So this is the method kill open files, and you can mention the file type. This is the file type. File type could be Notepad, Acrobat, and WinWord. From where you will get this file type, let me show you again. However, I have shown you before in my previous sessions. So when you open the task manager, you will see this window. Go to the details. This is the details section. In the details section, you can see there is a Word file. So there is a process name of the Word file. If you go down, there is a winword.exe. So this is the process winword. So you have to mention this thing. Okay. So if I go back to my code, you can see in this is the process name, and this is what we are passing here, winword.exe. So you have to pass with the extension, whole extension. If you see here, winword.exe, case doesn't matter, small or capitals, but yeah, name should be correct. Okay, so I have called this method kill open files and pass the process name. So what happened when this method will run? This is my test method. So when this method will run kill open files, I created a generic method here. You can keep it in a utility folder. So this method will pass the process name here, and by using this command line, this Word file, already open Word file, will be closed. Okay. After that, I have given some sleep so that after closing, a new file gets opened properly. After that, I am calling the open file method. This is the method where you will pass the file name. That is the Word file name, because right now I am opening the Word file, that is the docs file. Okay, so here let's come to the open file method. This is the main method, like this is the method which we are talking about in the session or in this video. Okay, so here we have to pass the file name with the extension, that is the full file name. Okay, so by this you will string home system.getProperty user.home, you will get the name of the user of the system. After that, using the file path, you can mention home, downloads, and the file name. So this will create the whole file path. Okay, so this will create the whole file path. After that, you will pass that file path in this file object, so it will read it, and after that it will check whether file exists or not. In this try catch block, we are checking if file exists. So you have to use the desktop class. So desktop is a Java class, you have to use it. So in this desktop class, you can see here, this is the, if I move my mouse over here, java.awt, it is available in the java.awt. Okay, get desktop method and open, and you there you have to pass the file, so file object that you have created. After that, your file will be opened and you can print it with the extension. If it is not exist, it will give you this error, this message. Okay, let's run this. Hope this is clear to you, and let me run this method because this is a test method. Create and run. You will see this Word file will be closed first. See. Now you can see like this, the Word file has been closed. Again, you can call the kill open file method, then this file will be closed, whatever is open. Okay. Okay, let me show you this thing in C sharp. Okay. Okay. In the C sharp, what we will do, the same thing we are doing. We have a test method. We will kill the open file, a new open file, and we will open the file with the file name. Okay. like the same, this is the method to kill the process. So we will mention the file type, again the file type. Here we do not need the extension, as I mentioned you in my previous sessions. To kill the process in C sharp, we do not need to mention the extension, only the process name. After that, using this method, using this code, you can like close the file. After that, let's come to the main method. This is the open file method where we will pass the file name with the extension. So this is the code to open a file with the file name. Environment get folder path, environment dot special folder, user profile. User profile is like the system user, and here the download. So this is the statement. Okay, so this will create a proper path. This will create a proper file. Like you will get the folder with the downloads, like with till downloads you will get the file path, like. Okay, after that you will use the path dot combine driver letter and with the file name. So by combining these two you will get a proper file path, which is a file path. Again, it will check file dot exist. If file exists, it will start the process. This is the code process dot start, new process start info, and the file path. And use shell execute true, yes, because this is a shell command, so it needs this code. Okay, after that word file open, it will open the, it will like it will print this message, word file open, this is the file path. If it is file does not exist there, it will print this message, file does not exist. Okay, let me run this method. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me show you one more thing. Okay, this test case is passed now. You can see this is passed now, but let me close it. Let me open it again. So first this method will close the file, then open it. Okay, let me run it. See, it is closed and then open, and you can see your test case has been passed. Okay. So like this, you can see the message word file open, and this is the file path, proper file path that we are going to print here, word file opened. Okay, so this message is printing and your test case has been passed. So likewise, we can open a file, download file through automation, whether it is PDF file, whether it is a docs file, whether it is Excel file, you can open like this. And hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any queries, put your comments in the comment section and I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.